Hello, I'm Trevor. I'm with Vanultra, and we're here at Pacific Northwest Overland Expo. We have a solution to get your tent on and off pretty easily. These tents are really hard and heavy to get on and off. We developed a solution to try and minimize the frustration and hassle so that you can get these tents on and off as soon as you can. The thing that makes our clamps unique from everybody else is that we're low profile. We're not going to add any height. We're not going to space your tent up. Next thing is that we offer a locking feature. Try and keep your investment protected and safe and on your truck and not in the hand of some thieves. Next thing is that speed. We want this to make it as easy as possible to get on and off. We're also unique that we're the only ones that will only quick release system that'll work with round and tubular profiles as opposed to a T-track frame. Last thing is our system doesn't require any tools. So this is our product. It's a mount, rooftop tent mount. Comes apart easily and can be installed to most tents and most racks. This is a quick demonstration of how the product works. So this right here is an extrusion that's commonly used on most rooftop tents. However, we're also compatible with other extrusions. In this demonstration, this is going to simulate the rack that's either on the top of your vehicle or on the bed of your vehicle. So through this demonstration, a tent, imagine this upper piece is going to be lowered down onto a rack and then be set up to be installed. So I'm going to flip the parts over so that we can see them. So here's your tent being slowly installed onto a rack. And then at that point, we're going to position the tent against the frame. We have a fixed clamp in one spot, and that sets the alignment of the tent from one position to the other. So that way you set it once and your tent's always going to be pretty much in the same spot every time. Once the tent's installed, we're going to take our sliding mount, slide it into the position, and then from there we have a clevis pin that goes inside of these features, then a retaining cotter pin. Now we're installed, but the system could rattle. To prevent that rattle, we're just going to add in a little bit of preload to this clamp, and now the tent is installed and firm and ready to go. Disassembly is just as simple. So when you're done with the tent, you're ready to go back to work, you're just going to back off these knobs just a real little bit. Then from there, you're going to remove the pin. Once the pin is removed, the mount's going to slide open and your tent's ready to be removed. Last thing I wanted to show is that our system locks. You can use a 1/2 inch standard hitch pin. We offer one that's really nice, stainless steel, made in the USA like the rest of our products. If you install a 1/2 inch hitch pin in place of a clevis pin, you can lock it. Once it's locked, then it's going to be the same process. We're just going to add a little bit of preload in this knob and you're ready to go. The cool thing about this is we have no exposed fasteners anywhere on here. Some companies, some of our competition says, yeah, we have a locking option, but we also have fasteners all over the place. So if someone just wants to take it apart, just unbolt our whole system. Nobody can unbolt this with the lock in here. There's no access to these fasteners. The thing that's great about this is it doesn't add any height to the system. You're not going to space your tent up at all. And the last thing is, these are nice parts. We're a premium brand. We're made here in the USA. This is almost all stainless steel. The only thing that's not stainless steel is this knob right here. The roof racks come in all shapes and sizes. The tents comes in all shapes and sizes, just like us. So we have a few different shapes and sizes. We have some for low profile, like the front runner, also for small diameter tubes. So if you have a small tube, we can get it mounted up here. If you have a large tube, this is a 2-inch diameter tube. Well, one thing that's unique about us is we're the only ones that's going to work with a round or tubular profile. Most quick release options are going to require a T-nut. So depending on the shape and size that you have, we pretty much have a solution for you. Whether it's a long T-rod or short T-rod, low clamp, high clamp, we'll have a solution for you. If you'd like to learn more information about our product, check out our website, vanultra.com.